I found some of the best things. Found one of the best things that you can get to repair a car. Now look at this. Scrap metal and an engine. That can repair a car, pretty much. To a better form. Man, they take 5 spaces both together. Freaking heavy, eh? I don't know where I am, but I'm just going this way. If that's so, this is called Glide. Oh, I'm actually not that far from Strive. I'll go to probably the cheap pits, maybe. So I will just have to go literally like straight. Just follow this road. But instead of going left, right, I'll go straight. Sounds like a good idea, because there's probably like a lot of people that Strive, you know? Bandits, they want to get a car, they'll kill for anything. The reason I don't run is because I don't want to waste all my food. I'm not that kind of idiot. Nah, I'm just kidding. I want to get there fast. I guess this is the dirt road around here, so I still have to go straight. At least I can repair on food supply and drink. Either that zombie glitched or I laid. Holy crap, man. Enchanter? You have to actually have this just to make, like, repair a car. Jerry cans! Why am I so lucky? Thank you, God, for this jerry can. I will treasure it. Oh, lol, that's just like a trap thing. I don't know. Yeah, actually, I'm just gonna drop this. I like jerry cans, though. I have a watch. Wow. More scrap. And a jerry can. I'm good on scrap and jerry cans. One scrap is like enough. I don't have space for that. This looks like a pretty good place to find shit though. If you're watching this, then you should, if you want a car, then go to here. That's some nice tips for ya. Just go into the map, and from Bide, just go straight up the path. Or just do what I did. That's actually pretty cool what I did there. Just going straight. That's what I do like every time. I haven't seen anyone yet. And no one says they have a mic or Skype. So I don't think I'm gonna be finding any friends soon. Probably gonna be a bandits. And that is gonna get me killed. Because I only have a revolver and 2 mags. That's 12 bullets. Strive 600, cheek pits 1000. Well, it's time to run. I'm so bored. Running to this place to find a car. GG. There's only 5 cars in the whole map. I'm gonna get one even if I have to get it. Just gonna gloat into people's faces. Cause you know gloating is the best. They'll kill you for that though. I see a car. Dude, want some stuff for the car? Dude, want the stuff for the car? Wait. I am recording. Here. Fucking bitch. That's all I can say. Fucking bitch, I gave him car parts and he killed me. Fuck you. Fuck you, bastard. I wanted to help. I have to fucking restart this all over again. If I can spawn close to there, I'm just gonna fucking steal it and drive. That's all I can say. But he'll have to shoot the car down and blow it up. And I'll be fucking stupid. Freaking